Let's see the expectation of exponential random variable. Here, if x is exponential random variable distributed with parameter lambda, that is what we are going to take. So lambda is important. Lambda is the parameter here. Again, you need not by heart this proof. You can just remember the result. Now say this. In order to find out the expectation, in case of discrete we are using sigma, and in case of continuous we are using integration, right? So now integral 0 to infinity, which means it is valid from 0 to infinity. Since it can give any value between 0 to infinity, I am taking that range, integral 0 to infinity and x multiplied with the function, right? So what is f of x for this? F of x for this is lambda into e power minus lambda x. And now in order to integrate this, we are going to apply a formula called as integrating by parts. So what is integrating by part? We can see it in calculus. In calculus, I'll tell you how to divide it and integrate it. So using that integration by parts, I divide into two parts. Okay, so those two parts can be integrated separately, and once you integrate them, this is the answer we are going to get, 1 by lambda. So this is the proof. Anyway, you need not worry about it even if you don't understand, but what you should remember is the final one, right? So if the parameter is lambda, then it is going to be 1 by lambda. The questions in this may be like this: what is expected? They will say that lambda equal to something like 2, and they will ask you what is the expected number. Then it is 1 by 2, 0.5, right? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries, for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.